Hi everyone, thanks for joining us at our virtual community science workshop. My name is Mr. G and today we're going to be building a catapult. Keep in mind Ms. Shaver is the one in the video. The word catapult comes from the Greek words kata, meaning downwards, and pallo, to hurl. Catapults are simple machines that were first used in ancient China to launch deadly, massive objects during battle. Archimedes, who was an ancient Greek mathematician, physicist, and inventor, once said, "Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world," which is a reference to the power of the leverage generated by catapults. Alright, boys and girls, so now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the materials that we're going to be needing in order to build this project, okay? So, what we're going to need to get are 14 jumbo craft sticks, a bottle cap, some glue dots, a rubber band, masking tape, and aluminum foil. We'll start the build by building 3 identical squares or frames. Each square will use 4 craft sticks and 4 glue dots to build. Next, we'll attach 1 craft stick across the center of one of the frames. This is going to end up being the fulcrum. Now, we'll use masking tape to attach the frames together to form an upright A-frame. The tape will get wrapped around the center of each of the frames and the end result will look like an A-shaped house. And next, we'll attach the bottle cap to a craft stick using masking tape. This is going to be the lever of our catapult. We want to be sure to leave about a 1/4 inch of the craft stick staking out past the edge of the bottle cap. This will give us a little ledge that we could grab when it's time to launch. We're going to attach the lever to the fulcrum by wrapping masking tape lengthwise along the lever, sticking it to the back of the fulcrum. We'll let the lever hang down on the back side of the catapult right now. Now, we'll take the rubber band and slip it down the entire lever so that it's touching the fulcrum. Then we'll lift the lever all the way up to the top of the A-frame and slip the rubber band over the bottle cap. Remember the aluminum sheet we gave you? I want you to tear it into 4 pieces, then roll them into little balls. This will be your projectile. Place the projectile into the bottle cap on the lever. Pull it back at the top and then release. So what we just built today was a simple machine called a catapult. Simple machines are mechanical devices that change the direction or magnitude of a force. The lever itself is a simple machine made of a rigid rod pivoted at a fixed hinge or fulcrum. Levers amplify an input force to provide a greater output force, which creates mechanical advantage or leverage. A projectile is an object thrown by the exertion of a force. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about safety. First of all, small, lightweight objects are safe to launch. Do not launch sharp or heavy objects or launch objects at people, animals, or property. Use sheets of foil provided to create the projectiles. Alright, now I have a couple questions for you to think about as you experiment with your catapult. Question 1. How does the length of the lever affect the distance of the launch? And what about this one here for question 2? How can you make your catapult launch farther? Okay. Go ahead and comment below with your thoughts and ideas. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our CSW network for building new virtual STEM lab projects. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.